Hi, my name is Doug Forrest, and I'm this year's coordinator for State Science Day for the Southern Ohio section of the American Association of Physics Teachers. Welcome and thank you for agreeing to be a judge. It means a lot to students who've had so much disrupted this year that they can still submit their projects for judging for this special award. We're lucky in that this year the award has been renamed in honor of Gordon Aubrecht, so it is the Gordon J. Aubrecht Award for Outstanding Physics Projects. And we award first, second, and third place prizes at the elementary school level, the middle school level, and the high school level. And your judging helps us do it. We absolutely couldn't do it without you. So thanks again. At the end of this greeting, there's going to be a brief tutorial about how to sign up for the STEM Wizard, mainly because I remember being a little confused about that last year when I signed up. Probably wouldn't be true for most of you, but I thought it might be helpful. Thanks again, and we'll be in contact and have a great virtual judging in 2021. Tutorial about how to sign up to be a judge for State Science Day, at least for the Gordon J. Aubrecht Award for Outstanding Physics Projects. You should be getting a link from me to most likely a Google Doc. This is a PDF, so it could be a PDF. If you're a new judge, you're going to follow the steps that are going to be listed below here. This is the link that you'll be taken to, and it takes you to the STEM Wizard site where you will do your initial registration. Make sure you remember your password, email address you use, things like that. You can choose whether you want to have them send a text message, I guess. Don't think I've gotten those. At any rate, you're going to submit this, and then it'll take you to the next pages. That's where I've got to go because I've already registered. I did that in 2020. So I'm going to click on this link down here if we've already judged using STEM Wizard. And I did this already this year, but I'm going to take you through the process of that. So this is kind of what it looks like. So if you notice, it says my registration status is complete, but I can go down here to modify that. So the link will probably take you to this. You're going to be asked to fill in some information about your registration, blah, 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 blah. How long you've done this, whether you exhibited before. So notice you're going through these steps up here. And again, it should put check marks once you go past each step. Potential conflicts. So last year we did have one or two judges who may have had conflicts. That's something where you can let me know about directly as opposed to listing it here. We'll make sure that you would never judge a student in your district. So there should not be any conflicts at this point, I think. Judge information. So in this case, we are a sponsored award judge, so we're going to answer no to this because this is for category judges, and that's the general State Science Day judging. So answer no to category judge information. Go to the next one, which is special awards judge information. Here, you're going to answer yes. This is our organization, Southern Ohio section of American Association of Physics Teachers. I might change this later if I'm able to present judging. That depends a little bit on my summer plans. That's June 21st to 24th, where that would be. So nobody is obligated to do that. And please list this down. So we are going to be the 067 Gordon J. Aubrecht Award for Outstanding Physics Projects. And then you can go and update that if you want. Notice if you do want to change it later, the edit button is up here at the top. So at this point, I'm done. You can go to the dashboard if you want, just thinking about it. So my registration status is complete. Administrator will be contacting me soon. This is where the messages are. I got a message that simply looked like this, saying, hey, thank you so much for registering. Our project is going to occur at the beginning of June. If you want to order some swag, you can do something like that. So hopefully that's helpful if you had any questions about it. And thanks again for being a judge. We really appreciate it.